Hello students, I am Prabhat Sharma. Welcome you to the next content of the financial statement without adjustments. As you know earlier, the specimen as well as the closing entry and the items required to the trading and profit and loss account and the new concepts I am telling you how to calculate the gross profit and the net profit through the contents given in the trading and profit and loss accounts. Today I am moving towards the examples related with the calculations of the gross profit, cost of goods sold and help the cost of goods sold to calculate the gross profit. The concept of the gross profit and the net profit you may see here. The trading and profit and loss account is the combination of the two accounts. One account is the trading account and another is the profit and loss account, which are to be made combined. The trading account is the first part of the calculating the gross profit or the gross loss. The second part is to prepare the profit and loss account, helps to tell you about the net profit or the net losses. The formula related with the gross profit is equivalent to net sales. Net sale what is referring to cash sale plus credit sale and minus returns. So out of this, the purchase, opening stock and the direct expenses, you may see the cost of goods sold may be deducted. The gross profit and gross loss is to be transferred to the profit and loss account. Then the net profit is to be calculated. Gross profit plus credit side other income and the debit side all the expenses. Then the net profit will be derived. And the net profit and the net loss, if derived, transfer to the capital account in the balance. Here the one example we are getting related to the how to calculate the gross profit. The question is given to you. That means with the help of the following particulars, opening stock is given. You have to put on the debit side. Purchase is given. You have to put on the debit side. Sale is given. The value of the sale you have to put on the credit side. Direct expense is given like name is wages on the debit side. Then you may have to see the difference. Here the difference of the credit side is more and difference is to be known with the name of 97,500. Remarks expenses are less called as gross profit. You may use like this also. Otherwise you have the formula the net sale minus cost of goods sold. When the cost of goods sold will be calculated, then the opening stock plus purchase plus direct expense and minus closing stock. These are the items you have to take as a formula. Even then, the gross profit with the formula can be calculated. But has been calculated with the help of account. Now you may see the second example here. Calculate the cost of goods sold, or you may say the cost of sale and the gross profit with the help of the given data. Net sale is given. Formula is related with at the end you may see gross profit is equivalent to the net sale minus cost of goods sold. So we have to calculate the two data. We have to find out the two data. One is sale. Now you may see in the questions, sale is given 20 lakh. But this sale is because the not mentioning cash and cat, it will be assumed it is total sale. Or if the returns is not there, that means it will be declared as net sales. So the net sale word is there. Then you have to calculate the cost of goods sold with the help of the TD. With the rest of the items are dealing with the cost of the goods sold. First is the opening stock, then purchase minus returns. All the direct expenses will be added here and then deduct the closing stock. Here you may see the opening stock is given. You have to take with the 3 lakh. Purchase is given. Returns is not there. So you have to, it will be assumed it is net. And now all the direct expenses like the wages, feet inward. After the making of the additions, then closing stock will be deducted. The closing stock given 4 lakh. So the answer is the cost of goods sold is 16 lakh. So you may observe that all the data are coming from the trading account, and this helps to calculate the cost of goods sold and the GP. It means trading accounts basically deal with the two accounts. One is cost of goods sold and the second is GP. So these are the two factors. If cost is going down, only then the GP may be increased. If the sale is increasing, only then the GP may be increased. So these are the two factors to increase the gross profit. Thank you.